While you were busy aligning icons, you were creating a layered cake of data that robots can't decode. Today, I'm showing you why a boring Google Doc, powered by Gemini 3.0, is the only way to actually land on a recruiter's desk in 2026. No third-party apps, no subscriptions, just clean data. Let's break down the technical flaw. An ATS parser reads a PDF linearly, strictly left to right, top to bottom. In graphic editors like Canva, every text block is an independent layer. When you export to PDF, the internal order of these layers often doesn't match what we see on the screen. As a result, if you have a two-column layout, the robot reads the first line of the left column and immediately jumps to the first line of the right one. Let's take this Canva resume as an example and break it down. Look at what happens when I try to highlight a line of text exactly how an ATS parser would read it. See that? The selection doesn't stay on one line. It collapses down a single column, ignoring the one next to it, or glues your phone number to your job title. To an ATS system, you're not a candidate, you're a broken set of data. Now look at my Google Docs template. I drag the cursor from left to right and it highlights perfectly. See the difference? The text reads smoothly in one straight line. This is exactly how the robot accurately scans your experience. No layers, no confusion, just clean, linear code that guarantees you pass the filters. As a bonus, I'm leaving a link to this free resume template in the description. Also, hit the link right here to see how we built it from scratch. The second problem is content. Writing a resume off the top of your head is useless. You need to pass the keyword filter. In 2026, Google Docs is a full-scale AI hub. I use the mirror method. So, let's do it the smart way. Go to LinkedIn and copy your dream job description. Head over to Gemini and paste it in. Next, I've prepared a Google Doc with base data. You should prepare your experience and education. Copy those details and paste them into the same Gemini window. Finally, copy and paste this prompt into Gemini. I'll leave it in the description. Use the XYZ formula, achievement plus metric plus action. Rewrite my experience to mirror the job requirements. Create a clean ATS-ready resume with minimalist formatting for Google Docs. The AI doesn't just polish the text, it translates your experience into the language of the algorithms that will evaluate you. And here's the magic. No need to copy-paste. Just hit the Export to Docs button right in the chat. Gemini will then create a document with the settings already in place. Take a look. The file opens with the structure already there. Sure, design-wise, it might still be a bit raw. You can polish it yourself. Paste this text into the template I showed earlier, or visit my Etsy shop for more premium designs. But overall, from a technical standpoint, it's 100% ready for your job application. Here is the reality check. You can spend hours perfecting your resume in Canva, but if a robot can't read it, a recruiter will never see it. Stop fighting the algorithms. Give them the clean data they want. The Gemini prompt and the free template are already in the description. And for a premium, ATS optimized design, hit up my Etsy shop. The link is right there too. Let me know in the comments. What are you currently using to build your resume? Word, Canva, or even Figma? Let's see which one gets the most votes. And if this video saved you a couple of hours of a headache, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching till the end. You have all the tools now. Use them. Good luck with your interviews, and I'll see you in the next one.